Speed demon. The 2025 Audi S8 is here to dominate the luxury performance sedan segment with its incredible power, cutting-edge technology and unmatched comfort. This flagship sedan from Audi combines breathtaking acceleration with a refined driving experience, making it a perfect blend of speed and sophistication. Under the hood, the 2025 Audi S8 is powered by a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine delivering a staggering 563 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission that ensures seamless gear shifts. Audi's legendary quattro all-wheel drive system enhances grip and stability, making the S8 a confident performer in all driving conditions. With this setup, the S8 rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds, making it one of the fastest luxury sedans on the market. The adaptive air suspension system with predictive road scanning technology ensures a smooth ride while also improving handling during aggressive driving. Step inside and experience pure luxury. The cabin is wrapped in premium Valcana leather with carbon fiber and aluminum trim, exuding elegance and sportiness. The front seats are not only designed for maximum comfort but also feature massage, heating and ventilation functions to elevate your driving experience. The rear seats offer executive class comfort with generous legroom and an optional rear seat entertainment system for ultimate convenience. The interior is further enhanced by customizable ambient lighting that sets the perfect mood for every drive. Technology is at the heart of the 2025 Audi S8, featuring Audi's latest MMI infotainment system. The dashboard is dominated by a 12.3-inch virtual cockpit digital instrument cluster displaying crisp graphics and vital driving information. The center console houses a dual touchscreen setup with a 10.1-inch upper screen for navigation and media controls, while the lower 8.6-inch screen manages climate and comfort settings. The system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto voice control and an advanced navigation system with real-time traffic updates. A premium Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system delivers a breathtaking audio experience, immersing passengers in concert-like sound quality. Safety and driver assistance features in the 2025 Audi S8 are second to none. Equipped with Audi Presense 360 adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, night vision assist and a 360-degree camera system, this luxury sedan prioritizes your safety. Advanced parking sensors and automatic parking assist make maneuvering effortless even in tight spaces. The head-up display provides crucial driving information without taking your eyes off the road, ensuring a safe and engaging drive. On the exterior, the 2025 Audi S8 maintains its signature aggressive stance with a bold single-frame grille, sleek matrix LED headlights and dynamic OLED tail lights. The sculpted body lines and aerodynamic design not only enhance the car's aesthetic appeal but also improve performance by reducing drag. The quad exhaust tips and subtle S-badging hint at the powerful machine lurking beneath the hood. Fuel efficiency is another impressive aspect of the 2025 Audi S8 thanks to its 48-volt mild hybrid system that enhances efficiency and reduces emissions without compromising performance. This system allows the S8 to glide on electric power at low speeds, improving overall fuel economy for a high-performance luxury sedan. The driving experience of the 2025 Audi S8 is nothing short of exhilarating, whether cruising on the highway or taking on winding roads. The S8 delivers unmatched precision and agility. The sport-tuned steering and torque vectoring system provide incredible cornering capabilities, ensuring that every drive is an unforgettable experience. If you love high-performance luxury cars and want to stay updated on the latest automotive innovations, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more in-depth reviews and car news. We bring you the hottest car releases, expert insights and exclusive test drives so you never miss out on what's happening in the automotive world.